Hi guys, how have you been? I'm so excited about this video. You can feel my excitement through this.
Uh,
Oh yeah, we're going to talk about how it's made in a bit. But yeah, let's go on and see how this is made. Follow me and let's go. So for this video, I am using the IKEA lamp stand. If you have another type of lamp stand or any rod that have a solid base, you may want to use it. Now, attaching the base, and these are the balloons that I want to use. Yellow is a very bright color, and this can be themed a sunflower themed balloon, busy bee balloon decoration, and it can be used for any occasion. I use a combination of 11-inch balloons and 5-inch balloons. The colors that I used are white, black dotted white, black itself, yellow, and gold. These are the combinations of colors that I used, and I used an estimated of 150 pieces of balloons. Yes, a combination of that, including the 11-inch and the 5-inch balloons. Here you have our balloons already blown up, ready to be arranged, ready to be set up, ready to be beautiful. Yes. So we have a balloon. I'm using the yellow color first, combining them to, I'm not using a ribbon to attach them together. I'm just combining them like into 5 or 4, depending on how large you want this to be. So bringing them together like that, and then arranging them at the base of the balloon. So this is what it looks like after arranging them together one by one, and then we just put them, start arranging one color after the other. Why I like this IKEA lamp stand is because the base is very solid. It's very sturdy, which means that it cannot be easily blown away. So you can be rest assured that while you're building your garland, it cannot be tossed here and there. So our garland is forming up. At this stage, it looks like, is it really forming up? Am I really getting the vibe? Yes, that was exactly how I felt, guys. I wasn't really feeling the vibe yet because it wasn't, but yeah, we are building a solid foundation, trust me. And the end result is going to be amazing. So now I'm trying to combine other colors together in order to build our base. The base is very important. As long as we have made it to be closed enough together, you can be sure that there will be no holes in between, and you can easily attach more balloons here and there, which would help with our balloon garland. Now I'm attaching some other bundles here and there to add flesh to our balloon garland. And here is the reveal of our balloon garland. What do you think, guys? I love this. I love it. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. This can be used for any occasion, trust me, whether for a birthday party, wedding, name reveal, any type of occasion, indoor or outdoor. Leave in the comment section where you're watching from, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please click the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram as well as on Facebook. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye for now. See you in the next video.